Hello guys, my name is Mai, and today I'll be giving you a brief introduction into the Linux command line. Practically every Linux user is required to know these basic commands, and through this screencast, I'll be walking you through a few of the essential commands that you'll need to know during your time as a Linux super user. Okay, so first we'll be looking at the sudo command. Well, sudo is one of the commands you must know as a Linux super user. So this command is known as super user do, but a better interpretation for it is suck it up and just do it. I mean, essentially that's what it does. Sudo allows a user to become the root user, and when sudo is put into play, the user is able to execute any commands they want as long as the user authenticates themselves with a password. Okay, so for example, if I just type in fdisk -L, my permission is denied because I am not root. But when I type sudo fdisk -L and then I enter my password, I'm able to view my partition tables. Okay, so now I'm just going to type sudo enter. And now you can see all of these options that allow the user to view different aspects of the computer through sudo. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? But the next command that we'll be learning is ls. ls means list. And as I'm typing it in and entering, you can see that it lists all of the contents, basically the files and the folders of the current working directory. You will see the same contents if you open the Files tab in the graphical user interface. Okay, so now on to the cd command. Cd means to change the directory of the current session of the terminal. So you can see that this hyphen here, right there, means home. Currently we are in the home directory, and we can check this by using the pwd command, pwd, which means print working directory. So this output basically means that we are in the home directory. But I am going to cd to another directory, so say pictures, and now you can see that this indicates that we're in the pictures directory, but now I'm going to print the working directory just to make sure. And you can see that we are now in the home pictures directory, Now I'm going to cd back to home. And with that, we end on a good note. If you haven't installed Linux yet, you really should. It's free software. You can dual boot on your Windows or your Mac. You can do whatever with it. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for listening.